The Tesla app 406 error, often appearing as request blocked or region error, indicates that the Tesla server has rejected your app's request. This error commonly appears when trying to access certain app features. Essentially, your app sends a request to Tesla's servers, but the server rejects it as not acceptable. This rejection is usually due to geographic restrictions imposed by Tesla to comply with local laws, data privacy regulations, or infrastructure limitations. The app detects your location via IP address and blocks features if your region isn't fully supported. Common blocked features include remote start, car controls, and live camera view. For example, the live camera view may be unavailable in restricted regions. This video will guide you through understanding and troubleshooting this error. Several factors can trigger the 406 error in the Tesla app. The most common is being in a region where full Tesla app functionality isn't yet available due to regulatory compliance or infrastructure limitations. Other reasons include using an outdated app version that no longer matches Tesla's server requirements, leading to rejected requests. Corrupted app cache can also cause data conflicts, making the app send malformed requests to Tesla's servers. Unstable network connections can interrupt API requests, causing the server to respond with errors when requests don't complete properly. Additionally, VPN or proxy conflicts that inaccurately mask your location can trigger the error, as Tesla's system detects inconsistencies in geolocation data. Underlying all these issues is Tesla's use of geolocation detection through IP address analysis and API filtering. This enforces region locks to prevent unauthorized access to certain features, ensuring compliance with local laws and safety standards. Start with checking your app version. Make sure you have the latest Tesla app installed from the App Store if you're on iOS or Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, verify your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Test by opening other apps or websites to confirm connectivity. Try restarting your device. This can clear temporary glitches. Hold the power button on your phone or tablet until restart options appear. Then, select Restart and wait for the device to fully reboot. If you're in a supported region, these basic steps often resolve the issue by fixing temporary glitches. If the problem persists, proceed to more advanced troubleshooting methods. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't work, the Tesla app's 406 error might be caused by corrupted data stored on your device. Clearing the app's data and cache can often resolve this issue. On Android devices, start by opening your Settings app and navigating to Apps. Find the Tesla app in the list, then tap on Storage. Here you'll see options to clear data and clear cache. Be aware that clearing data may remove your saved login information and app settings. For iOS devices, the process is different since Apple doesn't allow direct data clearing. You'll need to uninstall the app completely first. Press and hold the Tesla app icon until it jiggles, then tap the Remove or Delete option. Next, open the App Store, search for Tesla, and download the app again to reinstall it. After reinstalling the app on either platform, log back in with your Tesla account credentials and try accessing the restricted features. Check if the 406 error still appears. If it does, you may need to explore other solutions like using a VPN or contacting Tesla support. A VPN, or virtual private network, can temporarily bypass region restrictions by routing your internet traffic through a server in a supported country, like the US. This allows access to Tesla app features that might otherwise be blocked. To use a VPN, first download a reputable VPN app such as ExpressVPN or NordVPN. These providers offer secure connections and servers in multiple locations. Once connected to a VPN server in a supported region, open the Tesla app and check if the 406 error is resolved. This secure connection diagram shows how your device connects through the VPN to Tesla's servers. However, using a VPN may violate Tesla's terms of service, potentially leading to account suspension. It also exposes you to security risks, such as data interception by malicious actors. This illustration shows a man-in-the-middle attack, where hackers could intercept your data during transmission. Use VPNs with caution and consider official support options if available in your region. Check Tesla's official support page for troubleshooting guides specific to the 406 error. In some cases, Tesla support might offer a workaround, such as enabling beta mode in the app settings for partial feature access. Contacting Tesla support directly can provide tailored solutions based on your region and account status. Be sure to provide all relevant details about your location, app version, and the error message you are receiving. Tesla is gradually relaxing region locks as they expand globally and navigate regulatory hurdles. Expect increased integration with global standards like 5G and edge computing, potentially reducing reliance on centralized servers and mitigating 406 errors. AI-driven adaptive features may also allow partial access in restricted areas. Keep an eye on Tesla's software updates, as they often include improvements to address these issues. Tech analysts view the 406 error as a temporary hurdle in Tesla's global strategy. Elon Musk has indicated that region restrictions are temporary as they navigate regulations. User surveys show that a significant percentage of global users encounter 406 errors monthly, with many resolving them via VPNs. Join Tesla community forums like Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's r/s Tesla Motors for shared experiences and community-driven workarounds. Always prioritize official solutions and security best practices.